Alright, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what?
Productions.
Help!
Hi Divas, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I install this hair. I'm not very good doing that, guys. I'm not very good doing that. This wig was sent to me by Hairvivi company. I really love this wig, guys. I love the detail of this hair. It's high quality. I love this short bob. I really love this bob, like very slick, guys. I really love this wig and I'm feeling myself. So I'll be showing you guys how I install this wig. The hair was already pre-plucked and already bleached, so I didn't do anything to this hair. I didn't do anything to the hair. I just wear it and that's it. You are good to go, which is very good for beginners like me. You just wear the wig and you just go. When I saw the hairline of this hair, oh my god, this was done by professionals compared to the way I pluck my frontal. I was like, this hair was plucked by professionals. You do not need to do anything. The hair is already bleached and it's already pre-plucked and the hairline is awesome. Like, I just love the hairline. You don't need to pluck it. Like, for beginners, this hair is just awesome for beginners. Or if you don't know how to pluck your frontal, this wig is for you guys. This wig is for you. I really love the wig and I love the bob. I really love the bob. I can't wait to rock this hairline. And the pattern is long. I really love the pattern. It's long and the hairline is something else. Like, the hairline is just gorgeous. I really love this hair. The hairline is gorgeous. It's pre-plucked. I didn't do anything to this hair, guys. Even if I want to touch this hair, I don't know yet, but for me, I think I'm okay with the way the hair came, pre-plucked, bleach. Everything was just perfect and I really love that about this hair. So I will leave the link to Hairvivi company in my description box below, so you guys can check Hairvivi company out. very long. I really love that. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.